In this video, I'll show you how to create a new user on your HP laptop running Windows 11. If you want to set up something like a guest account, start by opening the Start menu and searching for Settings. Then click to open it. From the left-hand side, select Accounts, and then scroll down and click on Other Users. To add a new user, click on the Add Account button. You'll be asked how this person will sign in. If you don't have their sign-in details, choose I don't have this person's sign-in information, and then select Add a user without a Microsoft account. Now, enter a username for the new account. You can also create a password if you'd like, but you can leave it blank if it's not necessary. Once you're done, click Next. And that's it. Your new user account has been created. You can now sign out of your current account and switch to the new one anytime. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for future updates. Thanks for watching.